Welcome back. In this video, I will talk about execution modes of Python. There are two execution modes of Python, interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, as soon as you type your code and press enter, it will be executed and result will be displayed immediately. But in interactive mode, you cannot save your code, and this mode is generally used for testing the code and for learning Python. The another mode, that is script mode, you can save your code in this and execution will be done only after saving your code. The saved file will have .py extension. Thank you. We will learn more in the coming videos.